ioMoVo Watermark Tutorial, Securing Your Images with Ease. Introduction. Welcome to this ioMoVo tutorial, where we're diving into the watermark feature, an essential tool for photographers, content creators, and anyone looking to protect their images. With just a few clicks, you can add a watermark to your photos, ensuring they're safeguarded against unauthorized use. Let's get started. Step 1. Upload your image. Begin by uploading the image you wish to watermark in ioMoVo. You can select from your device's gallery or import directly from cloud storage solutions like Google Drive or Dropbox. Step 2. Access the watermark feature. Once your image is loaded, navigate to the right panel and click on the watermark option. This brings up the watermarking tools you'll need. Step 3. Choose your watermark. ioMoVo offers the flexibility of using a default watermark that you can set up in your settings for consistency across your images. Alternatively, you have the option to upload a custom watermark to match your branding or personal style. Step 4. Customize your watermark. Adjust the size of your watermark to ensure it's visible without overpowering your image. This is crucial for maintaining the aesthetic of your photo while still protecting it. Select the position of your watermark. ioMoVo provides various options so you can place your watermark where it best suits your image, from corners to the center. If necessary, you can opt to repeat the watermark throughout the image. This is particularly useful for full coverage or creating a patterned background effect. Step 5. Save your work. Once you're satisfied with the placement and appearance of your watermark, save the changes. ioMoVo ensures that your watermark blends seamlessly with the image, offering both protection and professionalism. Step 6. Download your watermarked image. The final step is to download your newly watermarked image. With your watermark in place, you can confidently share your work on social media, websites, or with clients, knowing it's protected. Watermarking with ioMoVo is a straightforward process that adds a crucial layer of security to your images. Whether you're safeguarding your portfolio or branding content, ioMoVo's watermark feature offers the flexibility and ease you need to protect your work effectively. Try it out today and take the first step towards securing your digital assets.